Hello everyone! I'm here to show you today our new Merry Bubble Letter template for the holidays. I'm going to show you both the 5x7 version that you can add text in as a holiday card, or you can use the 8x10 elements and Photoshop version for wall art. So when you open up your template, you're going to see something like this. It's a print disclaimer. Please shut it off. So you will see here that it says here you have this template, the one you're looking at, is only for full Photoshop users. If you use Elements, there is a version for you. You will not have any folders. So Elements does not allow the use of folders, so I created two versions, one for Elements and one for Photoshop full version users. So what you're seeing now, I will show you the Elements version later. This is the holiday card. It's sized 5x7. If you look at the image size, you will see here that it's 10x14, really. That is in a 5x7 aspect ratio, so it can be printed easily as a holiday card. You can add your own text to this for your customers or yourself after you've put in photographs. You can also upsize this. At this point, you could actually print this at a 10x14 size, but you could also go in here and maybe you want it to be very large, like a 21x30. This is all within a 5x7 aspect ratio. If you change the width and height, you click on Preserve Details and you press OK, it will upsize it for you, and I highly suggest you do that before you put any images into this template. So you'll see that I have a folder that says Leaves and Berries, and I have these leaves and berries. They can be clicked on and off. You can use one, you can use more than one. However you like. There is text layers. You'll see it says 2020. Of course, you could turn that off and use that next year. You could put anything you want up there. You don't have to use the year at all. So, and then you have Christmas. So Merry Christmas or Merry Everything, which is a nice way to include other holidays. And you can always turn off the leaves and berries and use this for Hanukkah. You can use this for any holiday, really. So you would do that. You just leave one of those on, Merry Everything, let's say. Now I have your Merry letters. So your Merry letters are here, and you've got them, I've got them in a folder, and you can click on a letter inside the folder, click on the M, the file, place embedded, and pick a photograph that you want to place inside that M, bring it into your Photoshop canvas, size it a little bit, kind of align it over the M, press OK. Right click on that image to create a clipping mask. So now you can see that it's been clipped inside of the M. I'm going to press Command T and I'm going to move it around a little bit. I can also resize it a little bit and press the check mark. And there you go. You could also choose to put it under, on a different letter, such as I can drag it and drop it down to the E. I've now placed it over the E. I'm going to have to move it so that it's over the E, and I will right click on it and create clipping mask. And I can have this one. I actually think this looks much better inside the E. So I would leave it there because look how adorable that little one looks. And I would leave it right there. Now you'll also see that I have placed effects. I have put a stroke. This is the gold line around your M or all those letters. You can click them off and then you will have no stroke. You can also double click on the effects button and you can go to the stroke. You could actually click the plus mark and you can go in and maybe change the color of the stroke. Maybe you just want a black stroke, which is the line. So now you'll see here under the effects panel, I have two strokes and you don't see the black. Well, that's because the top stroke is the gold. If I turn it off, the black is underneath. And you can do that for all of your letters. This template also comes with a gold border, such as that. I'm gonna just move quickly over to the 8x10 version. This version was made for both Elements or Photoshop full version users. I did not put anything into folders into this version. So when you turn it on, you'll see the print disclaimer and then you'll see everything in its own layer. Bottom leaf, top leaf, 2020. You can still click everything off. You could do everything I just described. It's just that there's no folders just for organizational purposes. Otherwise, everything else is here and you can work in exactly the same way. There is also a gold border that is around. You'll see that around that you can click on and off. That's basically it. If you have any questions, please contact us at Photobox Designs, and have a great day.